activities because we're about to go skiing. Are you jumping high and getting low? Because we're almost down the mountain. You guys, the volcano just erupted. Run quick from the lava. Hurry! Are your muscles burning? Because the lava's getting closer. Hurry, you gotta run those legs. Get ready to get high and get low because we're about to do squat jumps. Keep going, you're almost done. Let's go back in time to the Jurassic era. Be a dinosaur, lunge forward and attack. Are your legs burning? Keep going! Okay, let's do the other side. Are you getting low on your lunges? Make sure you're getting as low as you can. This one burns. Make sure you lift your leg as high as you can. Okay, if you want to challenge yourself, put your arms on your head. This one burned my legs. Now it's time to do the other side. But don't give up, just keep going. Okay, it's time for arms. Circle your arms and make a tsunami. Okay, go the other way. Okay, now it's time to be the Statue of Liberty. Reach your arm up as high as you can. Now it's time to do the other side. Make sure you're keeping your arm up. Now it's time to do the karate chop. It's turbo time. Go as fast as you can. Grab a mat. Let's work on core. First exercise is X-Men. Go in an X shape on the floor and try to touch your toes. Now it's time to be a roly-poly. Crunch in as far as you can. Make sure you're curling in like a roly-poly. high as you can. Make sure you're pulling in that knee to your chest so you're squeezing your core. Other leg, make sure you're doing that ninja kick. Make sure you're doing that ninja kick. You're almost there. Go, go, go. Okay, you know what time it is. It's dance time. I'm going to teach you a short combo, so let's get into it. The first move is you step on your right foot and your hip bounces to that side, and you pull your arms up, and then you put them back down, and then you pull it up again. Now do it that on the other side. Step, pull, pull. Now let's do that a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job, you did amazing. Now let's move on to the next move. The next step is step on this foot and you put your arm up. Then you put your heel up. And now you do it to the other side. And just keep doing that until you get used to it. And now let's put it together with our first move. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job! Before we do the last move, let's do it to music.
How deep is your love? How deep is your love?
Okay, you did great. So now let's learn the last move. The last move is this. So put your arm up and just do this. Now put your hand like on your belly and just whip it around. And now you're going to slide to this side. And then slide to this side. But do not change your arms because that would look really awkward like this. That looks really weird. So